You thought a hole saw was only for round holes? How cute! Guess what? It can also carve half moons in wood corners, the kind you never imagined. But hold on, don't just slam it in because it'll dance around like a headless chicken and leave your wood scratched and useless. The trick? Create a smart support point first, then let the hole saw do its magic. Suddenly, it cuts as if it was designed for this all along. The result? Clean, sharp, perfect half moons. And you, thinking it was just a one-trick tool.